All right, so as we take this front intake out, I wanted to show one more thing. So the cross brace right here, which is two more 15 millimeter nuts on both sides, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it holds down your engine vanity cover. As you can tell, that cross brace is off, so I've just go ahead and pulled that off. And I pulled the vanity cover off and I've set it back a little bit. So, you know, with the G87, we are dealing with a tighter engine bay than the G80s and G82s. So there's less space. So what I find in this case, and you can tell I've taken the airbox off by loosening the hose clamp right here, but as you can see, it's really, really tight. So I wanted to show a couple of things just as hints for the G87 owners. But what I find is pulling this pipe up, you're hitting the edge of your vanity cover. Now, it is possible you could maybe squeeze it by, but these little metal flanges are doing a good job in holding the pipe down and really getting in its way, as is the vanity cover. So I've just taken that off. So I've taken the cross brace off so I can shift the vanity cover back, pulled it up and off so I can get more room here for the pipe. Now, one other thing that I wanted to show, and I haven't done it, but it's really close. See the metal clip? That is about 3/4 loose. So if I wasn't careful, I bet it would be really easy for me to pull this up and pull that clip up and off and drop it down into the engine bay, which would be a huge bummer, right? So as you pull this up and out, be really careful. So I'm sliding my left hand down on this side. I'm holding that clip as I pull this up and out to get it clear. Okay, so go ahead and get that pipe out, and then we're going to put in the new heat shield on this side.